attain anything in life, you need to master the skills to attain that and also have the right mindset. Even in the journey of goal setting and goal achievement, you need to master all the skills, especially in goal setting and also in goal achievement, and also have the right mindset all through the journey. I'm Divya Nagpal, HR strategist, leadership coach, and a trainer, and I'm going to tell you the 5 mistakes which are unspoken, which people end up doing in their journey of goal setting and goal achievement. Mistake number 1. You think that goals are far more bigger than you. Where should your focus be when you're setting your goals and you're achieving your goals? Your focus should be on the goals, but your focus are on the problems which you encounter through the journey. Your focus is on the roadblocks. You are actually thinking far too much about the problems and about the issues and not thinking so much about your goals. Mistake number 2, you are on a compromise journey. If your goal is X, you end up having a target of X plus 2 for yourself. You think that by doing an effort of X plus 2, you will at least attain your X goal. Well, that is very common when you're setting up goals and targets for your revenue, for your income, and for your sales. Well, there's no harm in having hard work done. However, when you're doing this, you're telling your mind and you're feeding your mind that you're not capable of attaining what you're set out for. And therefore, you're compromising on your own potential. Mistake number 3. You think goal setting and achieving is an individual task. You think that it is my goal and I have to achieve it. Well, during the whole journey, you need to set up financial structures. You need to set up people structures. You need to have operational structures, your learning structures. Goal setting and achievement is not a solo trip. Mistake number 4. You hide your goals. The sure shot way of attaining your goals is to let people know about your goals. Because when people know about your goals, you are left with no choice but to attain your goals. Mistake number 5. When you are doing, especially in the planning stage, when you are setting your goals, you do not factor in the unreliability and the uncertainty. Especially in today's time, when the market is transitioning so much, you need to have and factor in uncertainty in your goal setting model. If you take care of all these 5 mistakes that we spoke of, there is no way that you cannot achieve your goal. If you want to know more about goal setting and achievement, visit our website, which is www.divyanagpal.com, which is also mentioned in the description, and we'll be happy for you to know all this. Thank you.